Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers. Cheap movers Wheaton locals and long-distance movers near me. When planning a long-distance move, you don't want to worry about whether or not your movers will be on time. Take care of your property and provide you with polite and professional service. You need reliable, timely, and experienced moving and storage company in Wheaton to handle the moving process. Moving locally in Wheaton is less stressful than a cross-country move, but still involves a lot of planning, especially if you're thinking about renting a moving truck for a DIY move. Not sure what the best option is for your move? 3 movers is the best option. We have experienced teams of movers throughout Wheaton and the surrounding areas, equipped with the trucks, tools, expertise, and muscle you need to simplify your local move. Get a quote online now to see why we're the best choice for your next crosstown move in Wheaton. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Wheaton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.